You know, people never ask me, DoorbellWalker, why have I never seen your OC animated? Well, that's a simple answer. He just has too many ankles. But now, the wait is over. The thing you've never asked for, the thing I didn't even want to make, here is DoorbellWalker Animated! One single frame, this is one single frame. One single frame, this is one single frame. One single frame, this is one single frame. One single frame, this is one single. Hi, I'm Magenta Monitor, and you're
watching Disney Channel.
What's a DoorbellWalker? Never heard of it. Oh, what's that? What's what? Now that you forgot about what never happened, here, watch this funny video.